Hi, and in this video I want to talk about how to get your first no money down deals so that you stop wasting a lot of time focusing on things that aren't going to make you any money and have to take a lot of your own money. So let me tell you what it is. What do I mean by no money down deal? What does that mean? No money down means not taking anything out of your back pocket or going to bank loan or going to get bank loans or doing those kinds of deals to try to buy a business. And we're of course talking about profitable businesses, and I don't want you to use any of your money to do that. So why is this important? Well, if you think about it, if you don't have to use your own money to buy a company, you can leverage what's already in the company. That means that deal will be much more profitable. Your rate of return is essentially infinite because you have no cash in that deal. And you can also do many, many more deals because you have no cash into the deal. So let me tell you about one of my students named Jim. Now, Jim, what he did is he found a bail bonds company that was literally the next state over from where he was. Now, Jim, what he did is he followed what we teach him and he used some of our strategies, and he actually asked the right questions of the seller and found out, well, what does the seller want? What are they looking for? What do they want to do with the money? It turns out, well, the seller really, he just wanted a monthly income. So Jim was able to structure a deal using what we taught him to actually negotiate a no money down deal. It literally, well, it only cost him a couple of bucks, maybe $2 or $3 to get the whole thing done. Structured the whole deal. The owner provided all the financing, didn't have to do anything. And this is a six-figure business that Jim does not have to run on a day-to-day basis because somebody else runs the business for him. So think about that. Imagine you're Jim and what that does for you. If you had a business that was like that, would you be happy that you don't have to run day to day and throws off six-figure income for you? I'm pretty sure you'd be pretty happy about that. So what Jim discovered is that if he just focuses on what the seller wants and what the seller says, they'll give him all the information he needs, and he can structure this no money down deal because all of a sudden, gosh, if I don't have to put money into a deal to buy it, how many of these deals can I put into my portfolio that will allow me to live the lifestyle I want? So one of the things that I want you to try to think about what to do here is next time you talk to a seller, listen to what the seller has to say. That's the key ingredient. If you focus on what they say, they will give you all the information that you need in order to say it back to them so that you can get the deal that you want. It makes it very, very simple to structure these no money down deals. So I hope you enjoyed the content in this video. Now, if you like what we talked about here and you focus on listening to what the seller has to say, right? You have two ears, one mouth, listen twice as much as you talk, you'll actually get the deal done. Now, if you'd like help on structuring these no money down deals, you need money or whatever it is, well, simply, there's a button below, just click on the button and apply to get our free first deal fast track action strategy session, and we'll actually walk you through everything that you need in order to figure out and do your first deal. Now, in this fast action strategy session, what's going to happen is we're going to actually show you the simple steps to skip the line to get your first deal. And to do that, we need to understand where you are right now, what cash you have available or shadow assets you have to do the deal. And most importantly, we want to know why do you want to do this and what is your big vision and how do you want to accomplish that? And no matter what will happen is that when you leave that session, you'll have a personalized action plan that will actually get you there. So remember, if you need help on structuring a deal, buying a business money down, whatever it is, just simply click on the button below, fill out an application to have your free first deal fast track actions session, and our top strategist will actually contact you. Now, what will happen is once you fill that form out, you fill out the little questionnaire, you're going to go to our next page, which is where you can actually fill out a time to set an appointment on our calendar, and our top strategist will call you at the time that you choose. So it's very, very simple. And make sure to fill that form out as completely as possible. That's very important because there's a lot of questions on there that our strategist will talk to you about. So we'll go over this with you one-on-one to figure out an action plan that works just for you. So remember, if you need help on buying a business or coming up with the cash to do a deal or how to structure a deal, what to say to the sellers, not a problem. Let us help you with that. And the way that you do that is just, click the button below and get started with your free first deal fast track session, and we'll see you on the call. Now, if you don't do that, well, just remember, opportunities don't go away. They just go to somebody else. So we'll see you on the call. Bye for now.